Showing text notifications on the Galaxy S24 lock screen provides convenient message previews for quick assessment without unlocking your device, while hiding them maintains privacy by preventing others from seeing content when your phone is locked. Here's how it's done. Pull up the app drawer, look for settings, and then tap on it once found. Scroll down a bit and then tap Notifications. Select App Notifications. Scroll to find Messages and then tap on it. If you want to disable the notifications for the app, just tap the switch next to Allow Notifications to disable it. However, if you simply want to hide the text messages, notifications from the lock screen, tap on the lock screen option under Notification Types. It should say Not Allowed. You can do the same for the badge and pop-up options if you like, but assuming you want to receive notification but don't want to show the content, tap Lock Screen Notifications and select Hide Content. In case you're wondering, this screen can also be accessed by tapping and holding on the Messages icon until the options show. Then tap on the App Info icon and select Notifications. The next screen is basically the same screen where you can change the notification settings of the Messages app on your Galaxy S24. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.